Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to narrow down your search on the Mango application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the M icon down below once the app has loaded in. Here select the category at the top, and then from the screen, such as clothing, accessories, new collection, and so on. After that select a subcategory such as coats, jackets, and so on. Tap on it and click on the filters button if you want to apply any filters, such as the price range can be selected. You can order it by ascending or descending. Then you can select the size. As you scroll down, you can also set the color too, so tap on the relevant ones that you prefer. And after that you should click on the apply filters button down below to check out all of the results here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.